In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your strategy with different combinations like RSI and SMA. Please remember that what we're going to show you are examples. They are not necessarily effective the way we configure them. How you configure them is up to you. Make sure you share configs with other users so you can learn from each other. Let's create a config pool for Bitcoin. We're going to do an analysis with RSI and SMA. For the example, I've got my candle size on 15 minutes. This is just for the example. Go to your trading view. Select the technical indicators here. As you see now, the indicators are active. But what do these waves mean? The lower side means that the coin is oversold, which could indicate that the price is going to rise. The upper side indicates that the coin is overbought and that the price could decrease. When the wave touches this line, a buy signal is given. Make sure that these settings in your hopper are the same trading view, or your hopper will buy at different moments than the settings in trading view show. Please note that it's very difficult to completely match your hopper with the charts in trading view, as not all parameters are the same. You can see here what oversold threshold you have to fill in at your hopper. Copy this. Copy the parameters. These lines are your moving averages. Where these lines cross is a buy signal given. And if you have sell signals enabled, a sell signal is given here. Check if you like where the lines cross. Adjust the length if needed. Copy the settings to your hopper. Play with these settings and share it with other users. Learn as much as you can as a community. Read as much as you can about these strategies online so you'll become an expert. And you have configured your first strategy with moving averages. Well done!